What's on guys, how's it going? Welcome to our TR7 YouTube channel where you can find such content as beginner tips, hacks, how-to videos and more. I'm Harry and today we're going to be working on 5 tips to help you learn how to ollie. So before watching this video, make sure you go to last week's video, How to Skateboard for Beginners, and just master all the moves that we cover in that, and that will make you super confident to start doing this ollie. Ollies are essential in just about every type of skating, so you can use them to get onto ledges, onto rails, up curves is a normal one when you're skating around town. You can use them on quarter pipes to do big airs. You basically use them everywhere when you're skating. So, to master the ollie, you have to understand what both feet are going to be doing, and they both have to work together in unison to get it to pop well. So first of all, you're going to want your back foot right in this pocket, okay? And it's going to be giving a proper slap on the floor. So you can work on that a bit, just like this. It's going to be a bit more controlled than that. So the back foot is going to slap off the floor, right off that pocket. The front foot is going to slide up the deck on its side like this. Turn that foot on the edge a bit, slide it up. This foot slaps as this board comes up like that. This foot slides up, levels it out, and they both come down together. So you're going to want to get your foot right in the middle of the tail. A lot of people try to get it on the end. It's not going to give you as much power as if you had it right in that middle, okay? So you can properly give it a slap down into the floor. So now that you've worked on that a bit, you're going to want to get your front foot involved. Alright, so you're going to stand it right on the bolts there, and you're just going to slap it down. That's the back foot, right in that pocket, alright? For the front foot, you're going to want to have it about halfway through the board, maybe a bit further. So just kind of, I'd say like a hand behind your front bolts. So once you pop, you're going to want to slide it up, okay? Just like that. So slide it up, slide it up. Right here. You want to go over this over and over again. So okay, so now that you've got both of those crucial steps, you start speeding them up, adding them together so they're a bit quicker. So your ollies might look a little bit like that at first, but then once you start working on it, get your leveling out properly where that foot slides right up, you're going to get them into a much clearer state. Okay, so now you've got something that's starting to look like an ollie, okay? But the really important part that a lot of people forget, even though it seems quite obvious, is to jump. Get yourself off the floor. So the higher you are with your body, the more room your board has to come up to. Alright, so the more you jump, the higher you're going to go. So a good ollie is where you get that nice clean crisp pop up into the air, your front foot levels out the board, and then you use all 4 wheels at the same time, back down to the floor. You don't really want to get stuck with the rocket ollies where they just come up like this and land, because if you try to go up curves and things, straight off the front onto your face, that's not what we want. Sweet. So we've done back foot, we've done front foot, we've done jumping, done leveling it out, okay? So once those are all together, the only thing left to do is land back on your board. And you've got to bend your knees a bit just to take the suspension, okay? Your knees are always going to be your suspension in skateboarding, so take care of them, they'll do you well, alright? It stops you from hurting your knees with that little bit of bend. Ollies are going to be really useful in all of your skating. You're practically going to use it for every trick you want to do. So really take your time with this one. Make sure you get it right. use this video to get it right. I hope you liked it. Remember to click subscribe and the little bell so you see all our newest videos. Comment below if you want us to do any trick tips in particular, or if you found this one helpful, we'd love to know it. Alright? Let us know.